Friends, myself Vijay Pratap Singh. Today we will start our new topic. In this lecture, we have to complete our business services. Today we will know about business services. These types of services we are getting in our business, and these types of services we are providing others also with the help of commercial firms. So once again you have to come on here meaning. So now we will read meaning of business services. So service sector includes commercial firms. Listen once again. Service sector includes commercial firms engaged in banking, communication, transport, insurance, warehousing, etc. These are the example of business services what we are providing in our business. Okay, these types of services we are providing to our customers. Behalf of that we are taking service charge. So dear students, we know very well in our daily life per day we are using a lot of goods and services. For example, banking and hereditary. Banking services we are taking per day. With the help of bank we can able to save our money. After that we can able to withdraw our money. These are the function of banks. Otherwise we can able to take a loan. These are the examples of banking services. After that, communication. With the help of communication we can able to call, message, a lot of process with the help of telecom companies. This is the also business service. After that, transport. With the help of transportation we can able to give business services to others. Behalf of that, when we are providing transport to others, we are taking service charge at the name of transport. We are taking ticket fee, a lot of charges we are taking, but we are providing business service with the help of transport. We are opening our transport company only for serve to others. Okay, next one is here insurance. Insurance companies are also one example of business services. With the help of insurance we are providing service to each and everyone who have a self insurance, life insurance, bike insurance, car, four-wheeler, otherwise big vehicles you have. With the help of that we are taking insurance service. After that, warehousing. A lot of examples are written in front of you. These are example of business services. Once again listen meaning of business services. Service sector includes commercial firm engaged in banking, communication, transport, insurance, warehousing, etc. These are the example of business services. After that, this service sector continuous process they are providing us. Behalf of that, they are taking smooth flow of business activities. We know very well these companies are open for a business purpose, but they are providing continuous service to their customers. Behalf of that they are taking service charge also. But important part is that we are getting services from these types of commercial companies. Okay. After that, feature nature of services. We have to read after that feature and nature of this business services. Now first one is written in front of you. Intangible. Services are intangible. For example, these cannot be seen to touch. Means services are intangible. We can't able to see it, we can't able to touch it, but we can able to feel it. We can able to take these types of services. Okay, we can only feel services or one can only experience. Otherwise, we can explain it. Okay, behalf of that. Otherwise, we can't able to touch it. Only we can feel it. We are getting service of these things. Okay. We can't find out the quantity of service before taking it. Without taking service of these things, we can't able to tell the quality. First we will take service. After that we can able to explain. That's why it should be a tangible. Second one is a lack of homogeneity. Services have to perform each time. Services are performed each and every time according to demand and expectation. According to our demand and expectation, services we are taking each and every time and each and every situation. For example, we can able to tell. Otherwise, I am going to explain about the one example of banking. Here, I am in front of you banking. Banking services we are taking per day. According to situation, according to condition, we are taking services of bank. Bank had provided as plastic money, means ATM card or debit card. Means we can say credit card or debit card. With the help of that plastic money, we can able to take. Otherwise, we can able to withdraw money with the help of ATM anywhere in the India. This is the service of bank. That's why these all services, business services, are very important part of our daily life. So, this is the normal example of bank. Same another examples also written in front of you: transport, insurance. These all things we are taking according to situation and time. Next one is that inventory. Third one. The main feature of service are consumed at a same time when they are produced. So there is no need of maintain inventory or stock of services. That's why these are the very important part of our nature of business services. Now next one is written in front of you. Non-transferability. After that we can able to know the service cannot be separated from the provider of services. Behalf of that, with the help of these services, we can able to explain each and every business services what we are getting from these commercial firms. These firms are in the market to provide you each and every activities. Behalf of that, we are taking service of these types of companies. It applies to lawyer and character accountant etc. A lot of people are working inside. Behalf of that, lawyer, otherwise lawyer and accountant will also working inside in that. And last one is the customer participation. When customer will participate in these all activities, then we can able to say that they are getting experience of these services. Without you have taken these types of services, you can't able to say this service is the better for me or we are getting good service from this company. So you have to first use these types of services, take experience. Otherwise, you can't able to enjoy these types of services in your daily life. So dear students, here I have in front of you few examples of business services. These all services we have to utilize in our daily life. So now next one is a classification or type of services. So now classification or types of services. In front of you I have written services can be broadly categorized into three types. Three types of categories are there. Behalf of that we can able to classify these things. Listen. First one is the business services, and second one is the social services, and third one is the personal services. Three types of categories I have written in front of you. With the help of that we can able to explain. This is the category of business services. In first one, business services. Business services are those services which we use for business enterprises, okay, to carry on the business activities most smoothly. That one is called business services. With the help of that we can able to continue our business in the proper way and very smooth way. So next one is given in front of you, social services. Social services are carried variedly. We can say voluntarily to achieve a social goal, and up till a lot of frequency we are provided with the help of social services. A total social services will provide for the social service to provide standard of living. With the help of these things we can able to prove, otherwise we can able to improve our living authority of the, according to the standard of level we can able to increase. Next one is the personal services. Personal services are experienced differently, otherwise we can say differently with the customers. According to customer service provided, we can able to say this is a personal service for the customer. Behalf of that we can able to explain it. For example, suppose you had started any company for the service of the customers, the performance for their people, and people will take service from your company. For example, tourism. You had started tourist company, you are calling people for tourism from one place to another place. This one is a personal services. But one more thing, I had told first one about the business services. We have to read once again. In business services, in front of you I written some topics. They are coming inside in the business services. We will read it one by one. And these are the very important part of our business services. So now listen, in business services, some categories are in front of you, some subtopics are written. These are the very important part and helpful in our business services. First one is the banking. Banking is a very helpful part in our business services. Second one is the insurance. Insurance is also very helpful in our business services. And third one, postal and telecom services. And after that, warehousing services. These are the examples of business services. With the help of that, we are providing service to our customers. Okay? And last one is given in front of you, transportation. Behalf of that, we can able to provide these all faculty to our customers, and customers are taking goods and services from your side and my side. After that, they are taking experience and explaining about that these goods and services are very important part of our daily life. Now, our next topic is banking. We will read banking services in detailed way. So now we have to make a note, and now we are going to start. Next topic is the So now we are going to explain about banking services. Our next topic is the banking services. Now we will read how banks are providing service to us and our customers. So now come on the topic. First we have to read meaning of banking services. A bank is an institution which attracts on deposit for the purpose of being lent to introductory to trade, industry or trade. Behalf of that we can say in industry or trade are very important role in our banking process. Behalf of that, this is the very important part of our industry or trade, and banks are providing us very good and lot of services for this purpose. Once again listen, a bank is an institution which attracts on deposit for the purpose of being lent to industry or trade. Behalf of that, we will read next meaning of banking according to Indian banking regulation. Okay, according to Indian banking regulation 1949 Act, we will read the meaning of that: accepting deposit of money from the public for the purpose of lending or investments. With the help of that, banks are working in our atmosphere through providing us services. This is the definition according to Indian Banking Regulation Act 1949. Once again listen, accepting deposit of money from the public from the purpose of lending or investment. This definition is made with the help of according to Indian Banking Regulation Act 1949. So now this is the definition. According to that, we are taking services from the bank. So now types of account. Listen you all, banks are providing services to save our money. But when we want to save our money, first we have to open accounts. Then we are going to read types of account. So now we will read how many types of accounts are here in our banking system. So listen, first one is the saving deposit account. This account we can open for saving purpose, and we can open this account for saving. We can say a person can open a saving account, deposit account for depositing a small sum of money. We can say saving deposit account we are opening to save our small sum of amounts. हम अपने छोटे छोटे बचतों को सेविंग अकाउंट्स में जमा करते हैं, छोटे छोटे बचत को. That's why we can open saving deposit account. Now next one is a current deposit account. Current deposit accounts are opened by business. Current deposit account we are opening for only business purpose. A businessman can only open this types of current deposit account. And saving deposit account and normal household people can able to make. He can open, okay, for saving purpose. That's why there is a difference between both. Now, reserving deposit account. In this account, we can open an account and we can able to fix some amount per month, per day. According to that, we can able to open. For example, you had opened 100 rupees per month fixed account, after some time, 1 year, 2 year, one year, you have to complete and you can able to close it with help of maturity. These types of open we can able to open in the banks. Okay. After that, next one is the fixed deposit account. Fixed deposit account we can able to open for only saving our account amount for a fixed time for some years, 5 year, 10 year according to plan. We have to fix our account amount on the fixed period of times. After the maturity we will get that amount. For example, suppose according to banking plan I had fixed 50,000 for 10 years and I will get 1 lakh. If plan is there, then I will get full amount on that maturity time. But if we need to close it, then we can close, but we will not get exact amount what we had planned. After 10 years, we will get enough amount how much paid for the particular time. After that, next one is the multiple option deposit amount. In multiple option deposit amount, we will read about some topics and according to that we can able to open this account. Listen for that. This account offers multiple options for depositing. Multiple options for depositing as a saving and current both works are inside in that. Behalf of that we can able to rotate both one. Saving deposit account and current deposit account both are multiplied in it. If both work the same account is doing, then we can say multiples option deposit account is a working. With the help of that, both works are inside and this types of process is doing with the help of this account. Now you have to come next topic, some important services provided by bank. Now we are going to read which types of services banks are providing us. So come on the first topic, bank draft. Banks are provided us first service is written here, bank draft. With the help of draft, we can able to take amount from one place to another place. We can able to pay someone. Okay. For example, if you want to take money, if you want to go from one place to another place, we have to convert your money in the draft. And when you will reach exact place, you have to convert into a cash. Because nowadays, if you will take a long cash, heavy amount, it will make a problem. It will theft by anyone, robbed, someone kill you, a lot of problem you are facing. That's why their draft process are going here. And with the help of this process, we can able to do for official work also. In offices, when we want to pay any fee, then with the help of bank draft, we can able to submit that fees. After that, banker's check. With the help of checkbook, we can able to pay our amount to others. Suppose for example, if you want to withdraw our money, then with the help of checkbook you can withdraw. But if you want to transfer anyone, if you want to give amount to any other one, then with the help of check also you can able to give your amount. Next one is a given overdraft. Same with the help of overdraft also we are making our payments. This is the also services of bank. Next one is the cash credit. Behalf of that we are utilizing our cash. This is the also important services of bank. The banks are providing these types of services for us. Next one is the short, medium, long term loan. Short, medium and long term loan. With the help of bank, we can able to take loan also. Loans are three types: short term loan, medium time loan and long term loan. Short term means for a small time, medium for few years, and long term is loan is 20 year, 30 year, 40 year. This should be will come inside. According to that, we are taking these types of services from the bank. Banks are providing lot of services. Now these times in modern banking we are using online services also. This is the function of e-banking. Okay. Now next topic is the function of bank e-banking. Nowadays we are using net banking, personal banking, a lot of app to transfer our amounts. That's why we have to read now about e-banking. This is also a special service of banks. So now make a note, write it, and new topic is the e-banking. So now your next topic is the digital payment or e-banking. Now I have told in this time we are utilizing more and more online services of the banking. Anytime, anywhere we can able to utilize these types of services. Then who is providing? Banks are providing these types of services. With the help of these services, we can able to make a transaction. So in front of you, I have written digital payment of e-banking or e-banking. These are the services of banks. So what we are getting service? Digital payment and transfer. With the help of e-banking, we can able to pay of the digital payment or transfer. We can able to take amount from each and anywhere, anytime, with the help of this digitalization, with the help of this e-banking. That's why it is a very important part of our services. On that process, on that way, these types of services when we are utilizing or when we are using, it is the making our work very easier. That's why digital payment is an important part of our daily life and important service provided by the bank. With the help of that, we can able to utilize each and every transaction with the help of digital payments. Okay. Now next one is a given 24/7 means any day, any time. 24 means 24 hours. Anytime you can able to make a transaction. And 7 days means 7 days are in the week. Means any time when you have a time. According to your time, you can use these types of services. The banks are providing this service 24/7. Means anytime, anywhere, you can able to utilize your time with the help of e-banking. If you want to transfer amount, just you can able to transfer. If you want to take amount from someone, then just you can able to take with the help of e-banking. This process is not bounded on any other day. If bank is not working day today, then also you can able to do transaction with the help of your online service, with the help of your phone, net banking, personal banking, any app what you are utilizing. With the help of that, you can able to take these types of services, and these all services are provided by the banks. Okay. And now next topic is financial discipline. Inside each and every transaction what we are doing, it should be in the discipline, and each and every note should be mentioned with the help of your application. Each and everything should be written when you had made your transaction, when you had taken transaction, when you had received. Each and every transactions are fixed and saved with the help of your application, and it should be very sure and secure. Next one is the unlimited access. Means you have an opportunity, you can able to utilize, you can able to make the payment unlimited times, and maximum time you can open your accounts. There is no foundation, you can able to do your payments. Okay. Unlimited access means, once again you have to know, this is the opportunity given by the banks to you. You have to make a payment you have to utilize these services. How much time you can able. According to you, you have to use it. The bank had provided these services to you, and he will never ask you don't use today, today is Sunday. No, he had given application to you. You have to use 24/7 anywhere, anytime. According to that, unlimited access will be there. According to that, you have to enjoy this app and services. Next one is less risk. So dear students, when we are using these types of application and digital payments, then we are far away from the risk. For example, if you want to go from here to Delhi and you want to give someone 1 lakh rupees, then 1 lakh rupees liquid cash it is in your pocket, it is a very risky work. But with the help of e-banking, if you have to transfer from here, then it should be very easier. No risk is there. If the payment should be anywhere problem after 24 hours or within 24 hours, it should be once again reback in your account. This is service of a bank. Suppose for example, today you are making transfer of 1 lakh to me, but unfortunately your transaction is completed and I didn't get money. So within 7 days, when you will register your complaint, you will get refund your money once again. This is the service provided by the bank. That's why banks are providing good services to us. Behalf of that, we are using these types of services and saying banks are providing e-banking, digital payments are very important, and there is no risk. Okay, this is your topic about the banking. I have told you. Now you have to revise and make your notes. If any doubt you are facing in your notes, you have to see this video once again. Okay, otherwise you have to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. So now dear students, this is the topic of banking services. Now you have to make a note, revise well. Thank you for listening my lecture. Thank you.